everyone. Right, time for a bonus pour or a leftover pour. I like doing these, just using up bits of paint that I have lying around from previous pours. This time I'm going to do a swipe and spin, and this is just a little 8-inch canvas. I have some paint over from a failed Dutch pour. It's just got metallics mixed with black, all Amsterdam. I think there's silver, pewter, and a little bit of graphite maybe. No gold in this one, with Amsterdam oxide black, and it's really quite thick, so I figured I'll use it as a what do you call it, pillow paint as such. It's nice not to have this go to waste either. That is if this pour works, of course. Right, there's that one used up. I do, like I said, I like doing these because they're unpredictable, and quite often you get something really nice out of them. From a meant to be angel wing pour turned out cascading ring pour, I have some blue with pearlescent mixed in. I'll link the video at the top to the one I did with these colors, and some orange. This is such a vibrant orange, it, you know, just blows my mind. It's so amazing. And I think I have a little bit of that pearl white left as well. So yeah, you'll be able to, if you want to get the consistencies of these 3 colors that I'm laying down now, you can find them in the video I'm linking at the top. But as for the base paint, well, it's anyone's guess what exactly went into that, I'm afraid. But it is much thicker than the colors I'm laying down here. So I'm just going to use it all. See if I can get a little bit of the blue on orange and the other way around as well. There we go. That's that one used up. Oh, this is cool. I only have a tiny bit of black left from today's big pour. I like that. Not too much. Oh dear. Well, that's going to end up being spun out anyway, so it's not an issue. I just want to scrape this blue a little bit. I think I've got too much orange there. Right. Come on out, you. There we go. Still had loads. Well, enough to get the balance of the blue and the orange right. I think the orange and black is quite appropriate considering Halloween is in a couple of weeks. Right, and for swiping, I am using my Amsterdam white, titanium white cell activator. The cell activator is really simple. It's just 1 part in weight of Amsterdam titanium white and 4 parts in weight of Australian Floetrol. Nothing else, no water, no nothing else. And yeah, so 1 part, 4 parts, basically. If you were doing in grams, it would be for example 10 grams paint, 40 grams Floetrol, or you know, an ounce of paint, 4 ounces of Floetrol. So I'm just gonna get the excess off the swiping tool. This is just from the hardware store, but it's really good. Okay, and just swipe across. I like the metallic metal swiping tools a lot more than I do using paper. For some reason it seems to give a better reaction to the cells. I don't know why. It's probably because it's firmer or something. No idea, and I haven't figured that out, but yeah, it works for me at least. Right, some nice cells growing there. I could probably do with just going back this way a little bit, really carefully. I'm gonna just dab some of that cell activator off the end there, like that, and like that. just got a little bit, and just go back this way. I know I end up with a line, but I'm gonna spin it to smithereens anyway. Right, okay, I think we can, maybe I'll just stretch it a little bit first. Yeah, I'll do that. I love my spinner. It's a potter's wheel, 12-inch one. I used to have a cake spinner, but that was, I didn't like it. Perhaps it was too cheap, not very well made. Whatever the reason was, it just didn't do the job well. It would sort of stutter when I was spinning it. And also, yeah, just not spin very effectively at all. I'm just gonna give this a gentle spin. See how it starts spreading out. And then I'm gonna add some black. Oh, get to empty another one. Excellent. This helps the paint move as it spins towards the edges. And a bit more there. Use all that up. This is the again from my meant to be angel wing pour that I did earlier. Right, there we go. So my paint's used up. Excellent. It's going to help this along here and cover the edges while I'm at it, because I have some excess lying around on the wheel there. Spinny thingy. Very technical term, isn't it? Okay. There we go. And the other side. I love using spinners anyway, because it just makes moving everything around completely effortless. I really like it. But a lot of the times, because of the way I'm set up, I don't really have a chance to use it. But yeah, I love spinning these little tiny canvases. It's really a lot of fun seeing the design spread out. I'm loving those cells. They look so beautiful. Okay, dump those there. Wait for them to dry before I get rid of them. Perhaps I'll see, there's that bit there completely free of paint, so I'm just gonna get a little bit again of the spinner and just cover all these bits so everything starts sliding along much easier. There we go. Oh, I have nothing here. That's okay. Just spin it around and it should start spreading and falling over the edges, which isn't doing quite as easily as I would want it to. So I'm just gonna go in with some black, help it along. Got some excess there that I can use. Oh, good. Excellent. Right. Don't have to spin very fast at all. And then the other way. How can you not like this? It's just so much fun. I'd like to get that moving there. It's not moving. Gonna have to tilt just a little bit. Grab it with my swipey tool. And oh, just turn it around so you can see what I'm doing. Help it along there a little bit. See how it's gonna hit the edge just shortly. Hopefully not ruin the cell formations there. Let's help you along a little bit more. Okay, and once it's over the edge, it should start spinning, spreading around really nicely when I spin it. Oh, I love these cells here. Yeah, I might want to make sure it's central. I'm always terrified that the whole thing's gonna go flying off, can you imagine? Oh, I like that. Oh, cute. Just having a look at the edges, Make sure there's paint everywhere. There is almost everywhere, so I'm just going to spin it a little tiny bit more. And surprisingly enough, because it's a fairly gentle spin, believe it or not, the paint doesn't end up all over the room, which I was absolutely convinced it would, because I'm using thick paints and trying to go fairly controlled with the spins. I just don't end up with any splatters anywhere, which is a nice bonus, because I had, you know, nightmares about this. You see a little bit of a line of shiny there where the pillow or base was that mix of black and metallics. Okay, I do like that. That is so cute. So all that's left to do is torch it. And then I'm just going to give it a little dinky bit more of a spin, so that the sort of pinprick or measle type things that come up sometimes when you torch, so just so that they elongate a little bit and look a bit more like part of this design, rather than, oh yeah, that's where I had to torch it. Okay, that's done. I like it. It's really, really cute. So I'm just gonna get it off the potter's wheel, make sure there's nothing dripping off the bottom of the edges, and pop it on a drying rack. That's it. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.